What's going on there, YouTube world? Austin Lewis here, coming to you guys with another video. And in this video, I'm going to teach, coach, and train you exactly how much you could potentially earn with the ATM business. Now, obviously, my goal here in this video is to under promise and really over deliver. Again, I will talk to you guys at the end of this video about some of my ATM profits, so definitely stay tuned for that. If you guys are brand new here, I want to welcome you to the channel. Here we talk about all sorts of business, passive income opportunities, and the ATM business, and overall credit, and all sorts of good stuff. Just really entrepreneurial based stuff. And so I want to welcome you to the channel. So if you guys would and do this and help me. In one of my last videos, I lost $1,000 and I'm really trying to earn that $1,000 back. So go ahead and smash the thumbs up button. Go ahead and drop in the comment section below. And it really helps the YouTube algorithm create some engagement and rank high on this video. So as you guys saw in the title and in the thumbnail in this video, I'm gonna be breaking down to you guys what you guys should expect getting into the ATM business in terms of passive income opportunities and really overall cash flow. A lot of people I know in a lot of questions that I have on my other YouTube videos, on my ATM videos, it's Austin, how much money can I earn with the ATM business? And that is what I'm going to debunk here for you guys in this video, so definitely stay tuned for the entire thing. Now, obviously getting started, let's just go through some rule of thumbs, right, that the ATM business has. Obviously, you guys know it takes money to make money, and in the ATM business, obviously you're required to purchase an ATM. Now, obviously there's so many different ways, so many different routes to get started in the ATM business. So if you have no cash, if you have no money right now, don't be afraid. Don't let that scare you, because you can still get into the business and earn passive income on a daily basis and literally get paid while you sleep. But first and foremost, we all know an ATM costs $2,500. I'm just gonna roughly say that number. Obviously, sometimes it's more, sometimes it's less, but the average is $2,500. Now, let's just say you made $250 per location. Now, obviously, I'm gonna talk to you guys about some of my ATM locations and really what it is that you could potentially expect. But let's just say on average, right now, the bread and butter number is $250 a month per ATM machine. Now, regardless of what you guys think of that number, it may be high or it may be low, regardless of that number, what that is and why I say $250 a month is really the sweet spot is because you get 100% ROI on your investment in 12 months. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm talking about making $250 a month for 12 months. That equals your whopping $2,500 in investment money. Now at this point, you are now sitting back on a monthly basis in a beach, making $250 every single month on the month after those 12 months, completely paid off ATM and completely passive. Now, what would it take for you to earn that $250 a month with that current ATM machine? That would be an average transaction of $2.50 pure profit coming to you every single transaction. Now, what would it take to get $250 a month with a $2.50 transaction fee? Again, ladies and gentlemen, I am under promising and over delivering here, but that is right around 100 transactions a month. 100 transactions a month times $2.50. Yes, that equals your whopping, equals your $250. Now, obviously you guys now know ATM costs $2,500. To get 100% of your ROI in under 12 months is a great way to look at the ATM business. Times that by $250 a month is ultimately where you need to be every month with your ATMs. Times that by the $2.50 fee that it is, you now know that you need roughly 100 ATM transactions on a monthly basis. Now, I'm gonna break down to you guys how you're gonna get those 100 ATM withdrawals every single month. And the first one happens to be location. Where are you going to put your ATM machine that's going to generate 100 transactions a month at a $2.50 surcharge fee? Now, before I even dive into it a little bit more for you guys, I really want you to understand while watching this video, go ahead and smash that thumbs up button like I said at the beginning of the video, because it truly helps the YouTube algorithm, and I want to help as many people as potentially possible get into the ATM business, so thank you guys for doing that. So, I really want to reiterate to you guys that a $2.50 transaction fee is actually not standard. It is not your industry standard. Your industry standard actually is $3. So $250 is quite low, and $250 a month is also low. But again, for the purpose of this video, I literally just wanted to share that with you guys. Now, jumping onto location, what types of locations can help you generate an extra $250 a month? Obviously, I want you guys to pull out your pen and paper. That way you guys can write these down. Number one happens to be a bar. A bar location is going to guarantee you generating at least 100 transactions a month. Now, obviously, if it generates less than that, then you have a really bad bar. Number two happens to be a gas station. A gas station is going to be a location that's going to generate more than 100 transactions on a monthly basis. A barber shop, yes, a barber shop where you and I go to get our haircuts will generate more than 100 transactions a month. Now, obviously, I want to talk to you guys a little bit more in depth on these locations so that you guys can see if they hit our checklist. Our checklist is specific to see if it does a minimum of 100 transactions a month. If it does anything less, then we typically pull that location and move it to a different one. Now, obviously, moving on to 4, you could actually put your ATM inside of a salon. Number 5, you could even put your ATM location inside of a marketplace. Now, that you guys know the ATM investment's $2,500, you guys know that you guys want to at least make $250 a month so that you get 100% ROI on your ATM, and anything after those 12 months is pure profit to you. You guys know that you guys need to do a minimum of 100 transactions a month at $2.50 a transaction. You guys know the types of locations that it is that you guys need to install your ATMs at in order to get those 100 transactions a month at $2.50, so that you guys are now profiting every single month on the month and making that minimum $250. You guys got to understand the surcharge amount. So the surcharge amount is crucial because, again, you might have the surcharge amount at $2.50, but if you're paying 50 cents of that $2.50 to the business owner, then you are ultimately now only making $2. So your profit in this business, your profit per surcharge has to be $2.50. So if it is $3 and you're giving 50 cents away, then you need to be profiting $2.50. The next thing you need to look at with these locations is how many employees. How many employees does this location have? Therefore, you know how much foot traffic, you know how many people on a daily, on a weekly, on a monthly basis come to this location and actually will generate you and I revenue. Now, ladies and gentlemen, as you guys saw in the title of this video, it was $10,000 a month. I'm literally gonna be breaking down for you how to generate $10,000 a month inside the ATM business. Again, under promising and over delivering, okay? Just understand that around 18 to 20 ATMs is where we were at when we were generating a 6-figure income. Obviously, you guys know $10,000 a month is $120,000 a year. Now, $10,000 a month, what it is that you're gonna need based off the information that I share with you thus far, let's do some math. Roughly 40 ATMs at $250 a month per machine is gonna generate you $10,000 a month in monthly passive cash flow. Now, what does 40 machines cost you? 40 machines cost you roughly $100,000 in hardcore cash in terms of your investment, and you are gonna own those ATM machines. Now, $100,000 in 40 ATM machines, obviously $2,500 times 40 equals $100,000. Now, 40 machines doing $250 a month, doing a minimum of 100 transactions a month at $250 surcharge, that is generating you $10,000 every single month on the month. Ladies and gentlemen, it is almost like a hamster wheel. Every single month, you're making that passive income. Now, obviously, that is $120,000 per year. Ladies and gentlemen, I just literally wanted to come to you guys with a video and say, hey, how much should you make with your ATM business, and really paint a picture for you guys, because I know some of you guys watching this video and that stayed to the very end, you guys heard the beginning of this video, my average is $250 an ATM. That's not my personal average, but that would be my average for you guys that are watching this video, especially if you're brand new in the business. Understanding that $250 does not sound like a lot of money. It doesn't sound like a lot of cash flow for a $2,500 investment, but it is insane to get 100% ROI in under 12 months. And that's what I wanted to share with you guys. So I wanted to set your guys' expectations right. Make sure to share this video with somebody that you like, trust, and respect. If you haven't already, make sure and go smash that thumbs up button because it helps the YouTube algorithm and helps me get my $1,000 back. Austin Lewis here saying, ladies and gentlemen, we'll see you guys in a future video. Thank you guys for your subscribes.